What are stretch marks? Stretch marks also known as tria. So stretch marks एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो कि बहुत ही कॉमनली आस्क्ड है कि हाउ टू ट्रीट देम. Hi, I am Dr. Hiranvi, aesthetic plastic surgeon, and today I am discussing about treatment options available for stretch marks and why do we get these stretch marks. So stretch marks occur due to जो हमारे स्किन के जो डिफरेंट लेयर्स है उनमें जो डीपर लेयर्स है उनमें जब टेयर होती है तो स्ट्रेच मार्क्स होता है. और स्ट्रेच मार्क्स क्यों दिखता है? क्योंकि वो जब डर्मल लेयर में जो टेयर है वो जब हील करता है तो वहाँ पर एक स्कारिंग होती है जो कि सुपरफिशियल लेयर में दिख रहा होता है और वो स्ट्रेच मार्क्स के जैसे आपको दिख रहा होता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज टाइगर स्ट्राइप्स बाय प्रेग्नेंट मदर्स, क्योंकि प्रेगनेंसी के बाद भी ये बहुत कॉमनली मिलता है. अदर इंडिकेशंस जहाँ पर कि स्ट्रेच मार्क्स को देखा गया है वो है सडन weight loss or weight gain. It can occur even during puberty. During pregnancy you get these, या फिर कई बार hormonal changes की वजह से भी ये आपको मिलता है. And how do you treat? There is a huge number of treatments which are available for treating stretch marks, but not a single treatment is sufficient to deal with it. Mostly treatments are combined to give you results. अब इसमें से कई बार there are some lasers which work, sometimes some fat injections are also there, microneedling, some PRP or GFC injections, as well as some retinoids are applied to the stretch marks area and they heal beautifully. But one or more therapy has to be combined and accordingly it has to be customized according to the patient's response. So this is how you can get your stretch marks treated, and it's always better to prevent it, and you should always get in touch with your treating surgeon to know more about it. Thank you and keep watching and subscribe to our channel to know more about different kinds of cosmetic procedures and plastic surgery, and drop in your comments to know more about it. Thank you.